Hello guys, during the course of this video we're going to learn how we can start Bloom mining on Telegram and also how to come on board. So I click the link, relaunch, it opens on Telegram. As usual, once it launches, we will not just start mining, but we'll try as much as possible to do the end task. So nickname is Hedgehog Farmer 24. It has given me that name according to my Telegram. So just doing this demonstration just for this video so that we can actually understand it. So clean my check-in day. I'll continue. I'll start farming. Take note, there are two ways for us to earn the points on Blum. We'll start farming. This will take it takes 8 hours to get filled. So we'll come after 8 hours to claim. So we can actually set our alarms so that we're able to meet as much as possible. We don't miss any of the claims. Now, after we've done that, like I said, we'll not just start mining or playing the game or engaging in the farming. We'll go and do the tasks. Now, there are 11 tasks that we can actually engage in. We'll start from the first one. Invite 5 friends. We can actually copy our links. We'll do that in a minute. Invite friend. Boost Plum. We'll click that. This account is not still boosting. Okay, I got 200 for that. Subscribe to Telegram. I'll join the Telegram group. I'll go back. So while that is loading, we could join the Instagram. Follow on this. So we will claim. Done that. Follow on X. Click that. It opens. We follow. And we return back to Telegram. And we'll claim that in a minute. I just started. Follow this Blum CEO on X. We'll do that. We'll follow. We're just about engaging or completing the task. Follow Blum on YouTube. So we'll start that task. We would subscribe to the channel as the way we can support them. Then we'll claim that also. Follow Blum CMO. We'll start follow. We'll claim that. Follow the designer. So all we just need to do is just to complete those tasks, and we are fine and good to go. Join Discord. Join their Discord before. Okay, let's just join the Discord. Readily is expired. Got it. So we could just, I've actually joined the link before on my other account, so that's why this is just for demonstration. So I've been able to claim all of those tasks. 3 is remaining to be done. While this one is still waiting, so I'll go back now to the friends. I could invite friends from here, copy the link and share. Now back to the game. How are we going to play the game? We'll press the play now. We'll just be hitting this blue pauses everything, then quickly post those stars. We want to try as much as possible not to hit this, because if we hit, our point goes back, so we'll start all over again. So we'll try to avoid the bombs. So while we are clicking this, we'll pause it again. We'll avoid that. Sometimes we'll have to use our two fingers so that we're able to um, achieve more. So we've gotten 52 plums. We'll go back now. It has been added. So we have 4 rounds to play this game. Play drop again. So it's coming down. We quickly do that. Oops. 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 So we need to try as much as possible to avoid hitting that because it reverses our points back to 0. Well, we've gotten to 34. Doing well. So pause now. Quickly. So you can actually use our two fingers to get that done. Pause. So this is 83. So until we exhaust that and we are fine. Now there's one other task we need to do. Wow, we are already 442 up already. We need to try as much as possible to engage in Blum as often as possible because it will be out in I think 2 days or thereabout. There's another task we need to engage in, and this is a task. We'll go to okay, let me copy. Yeah, to go to we'll click on this link or copy it first. Copy. We'll go back to Blum. Now we're not going to play the game. So what we'll do is on this messenger, we'll paste that link there. Then open the launcher. Whichever way, we can actually do that, or let's try this. Or we could do it this way. We just click the link on the launcher. It opens it. So we'll click on start. This is actually an activity launcher, just like what we have on exchanges where you engage in some activities to earn rewards. So we'll engage in the tax and we are able to qualify for the 30 bonus, $30 bonus for Plum. So this is a 30 ton rather. So we'll click on it and we'll complete the task. So this is the first task we'll follow. Already we already done that, so it ends it. We'll go to the next one. Subscribe to Telegram. We already done that too. Gives us that point. Then enter the game. We're already playing the game too. Yeah, so we already 840 for just those things we did from 440. So the next thing is to also share with your friend. You can actually share the link so that it will help us also to boost our XP points and also help others to also get to learn or know about the information. So that's just about it. I hope it helps.